Welcome back to Venvenmusic and Country Life. Now today I'll be showing you how to make the best moringa powder at home. Yes, but before I go any further, you can take this time to click the subscription button below and join the Venvenmusic and Country Life family. Click the bell that says all so you'll be notified when I post. And remember to leave your comments below, and don't forget just to share this video with a friend or a family. Yes, now, one benefit from using moringa powder is that it supplies the body with proteins, with minerals, amino acid. It's rich in antioxidants, right, Shaggy? It's rich in antioxidants. It also protects your heart, your kidneys, and your lungs from tissue damage. So you want to include more moringa powder in your diet? Now, today I'll be showing you how to make the best one. If you've missed that video with the benefits of moringa, I will leave the link in the description box below, or you can wait until the end of this video to click the link. Alright, so stay tuned, stay connected. Remember to eat healthy, live healthy, and be happy. So here we have our fresh moringa leaves. And here we have our fabric that we're going to put our moringa leaves on. Now you will have to use a fabric that air passes through easily so that you get the best results from the moringa leaves. Alright? So you would want to make sure that when you are picking the leaves, that you pick the leaves and not the stem. So you'd want to keep the stem off the moringa so as to make your tea as well. Alright, so you'd want to keep this. You would not want to throw it away. And here we have our moringa freshly picked. So what you will do now is to place it inside in a cool place. So you would not place the moringa leaves in the sun. You'd put it in a dry place, a cool area in your house, so that it can air dry. If you fold the fabric, it can dry as well. So if you don't want anything to get into it, you can fold it and have it inside in a cool place, and it will dry nicely. And you will allow this to dry inside for 7 days. After 7 days of air drying, this is what the moringa looks like. And here you have it, the best homemade moringa powder for all your needs. So stay tuned, stay connected for another awesome, informative, exciting country life video.